Welcome to the channel. I had high hopes for this lens. It is true that it has quality, but the shortest focusing distance is standard very long 1 meter 40 centimeters. I've tried everything, bellows, macro rings. I couldn't come up with a nice ratio of the longest and shortest focusing distance. And it is not really pleasant to photograph to remove or add rings all the time. But of course I know that this lens is not suitable for close focus. Still, I try every time. I think this is the last Hanimar/Hanimex lens I buy. The only one still missing is a 50mm. It is correct what is written about Hanimar/Hanimex. You can come across all kinds of qualities of this brand.